Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. Today we are going to be reviewing the Mary Kay Summer 2020 products. So let's get started, you guys. So the first product that Mary Kay launched is the Mary Kay Intuitive pH Lip Balm, and its shade is called Pink Rose. This product is gorgeous. I think it's my favorite launch of the summer. And sadly, it is a limited edition. So if you like it and you want to get your hands on it, reach out to your consultant ASAP, because they have sold out twice already in the company. Because these are not regular line products, these are limited edition. So the next product is the Mary Kay at Play Color Correcting Stick, and it's called the Wipe Red. It's great for ladies with redness. If you're someone who gets, redness from rosacea or redness from eczema, things like that, it's great to help wipe out the red. Okay, so you can then go over with your makeup. So we're gonna be trying that out today. Also, they came out with the Mary Kay Lash Love Panorama Mascara. It's in a nice, beautiful pink tube. There's been so much pictures going around of consultants wearing it, and you see the before and afters, and the fan effect is out of this world. Okay, I personally don't have much lashes, like I don't really have long lashes or anything like that, but it's a great product, and you definitely want to pair it with the Mary Kay lash primer. Okay, so we're gonna be demoing all of that today. Let's play and let's get right into it. I'm going to go with my Mary Kay primer. So let's start with our Mary Kay at Play Color Correcting Stick. I'm gonna put here and here because the corner of my nose does get a little bit red. I'll put some here because I think I scrubbed today. Did some exfoliation with my brush. Now with this product, you can absolutely use your fingers to blend this out. That's fine. So I'm gonna actually try with my fingers and just blend that out. Okay, I am of a deeper complexion, so normally if I wanted to color correct, I would use more of a deep peach or an orange corrector. So for this other side, I'm going to go with my brush and just blend that with my brush. Okay, there you go. So that's it. That's the At Play green stick. So you guys let me know what you think about it in the comments. Next, I'm going to use my Time Wise foundation in W140. Now I'm using my Mary Kay blending brush. Okay, see? Any trace of the stick is gone. So it doesn't really matter if it leaves any color on your face, because you are going to go over with your foundation anyway. So it's going to be just fine. Okay, so my foundation is on. I'm going to just do a little bit of highlighting just to brighten up our under eye. So I'm going to go back with my brush and just blend that. My face is looking so matte. It's weird. I feel like, I haven't really worn my Time Wise in a bit. I'm home, so I don't really wear makeup. So my face is like, really matte. So I'm going to go finish up my face, set my concealer down, do my bronzer, and then we're going to carry on with the other products, okay? So I set my concealer and I put on my contour, and now I'm just going to go all over the face with my Mary Kay Sheer Mirror Press Powder. Just dab into that a little bit. Okay, and just use that to set the entire face. So just pop in our blush. Okay. So another product they came out with for the summer actually is part of our Satin Body collection, and they came out with the body butter. I'm gonna put a picture of it so you guys can see it. Now that product kept launched, I believe, last year also, but it was a limited edition. But now they have introduced it into our regular line. So if you loved it last time and you couldn't get your hands on it, this is a great time to stock up. And right now, for a limited time while supplies last, if you order the Mary Kay Clear Proof Charcoal Mask, you're gonna get a masking towel free with your order. So again, get on it. You know, if you don't have a consultant, you can definitely check out my website. All right, the link is at the bottom. So now I'm going in with my mascara, and I'm going to use my lash primer first. All right, with that. So now we're gonna go in with the Lash Love Panorama. We do have a Lash Love mascara on our regular line, and I believe this is the same formula as that. It's not waterproof, but it's water resistant. What's different about this particular one from the regular Lash Love that we have is the wand. All right, you probably can't see it, but the wand has a special tip which helps to really give you that fan effect on your lashes. So we're gonna just apply that and see how we do. My eyeliner right now is pretty thick, okay, because I have a nice wing going, so I don't know if it's gonna let you guys see the effect of the mascara, but I would try and do a close-up. Okay, and I like that. In case you don't know, you're supposed to change out your mascara every 3 months, okay? So I'm talking to you. If you know your mascara has been sitting in your drawer for more than 3 months, honey, you need to get new ones, okay? You want to definitely make sure you do that every 3 months so as not to get the eye boogies, all right? The eye mites, or whatever they're called. I'm going to use a tip now. Whoop. Oh, just get in there, in there. If you follow Lori Hogg on Facebook, she has said that, you know, it's fine to go ahead and mix your mascaras. Like, you can definitely go over this with the Lash Intensity or the Ultimate, you know, whichever one you currently have. You know, you can definitely mix them both, because one gives you volume when the other one gives you lengthening, and this one gives you a nice fan effect. Okay, let's do this. Let's see how close you guys can. So again, I don't really have that much lashes. I do have a little bit. So I don't know if it's going to show you anything, but those are my real lashes. All right. So that's the Panorama mascara. If you're currently using it, you know, definitely leave a comment down below. Let us all know what you think about it. And of course, if you're someone who curls your lashes, Mary Kay has an eyelash curler. So you definitely can do that before you apply your mascara. So now the final product we're going to demo, which is one I personally am super excited about. Okay, is the Intuitive pH Lip Balm. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Listen, if you are that girl looking for a lip balm and you don't really want to put on lipstick, you definitely want to get this. And if you're someone who doesn't even wear lip balms, you definitely want to get this. And I'm going to tell you why. This lip balm, are you ready? This lip balm works with your body's pH. Okay. So when you apply it, it's going to work with your body's pH to give you the perfect hint of pink on your lips. And I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on this product. So my lips, as you can see, is a bit pigmented, all right? It's kind of dark on the top and dark at the bottom a bit. I do have a slight little pink on the inner corner, which you guys can probably not see. Maybe not, but it's there. My brother Charles has got full-on beautiful pink lips. Like, his whole bottom lip is pink. It's just so pretty. So yeah, so you guys can see there's nothing on my lips right now. All right, I did scrub it with the satin lip scrub just to get any dead skin off my lips. All right, so let's see what shade of pink is gonna give me. Okay, so see right there, I applied it. You can see the shine because it is a lip balm, right? And it's so smooth, it's so soft. I just want to keep doing this all day. Just keep doing this all day. Did you guys see that? Remember I told you guys I do have a bit of pink on the inner part of my lips. Yeah, guys, that's the lip balm, and I really, really love it. Okay, definitely get your hands on it. All right. Let me know what you think about the Mary Kay Summer 2020 products. Okay. So that is it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video today, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button in the corner so you get notified every time I upload. All right, from me to you, bye. See you in the next one.